Hello, welcome to India Sisters Kitchen. This is Lata and
Ammu. No matter how many different types of sweets we eat, when it comes to Deepavali, there's the first thing that comes to mind is the traditional sweet adhirasam. Deepavali seems incomplete without adhirasam, but to make this adhirasam perfectly, you need to prepare the dough 1 or 2 days in advance. Many people hesitate to make adhirasam at home because of doubt about whether it will fall apart in oil or not turn out soft and taste. But today we are going to show you how to make perfect adhirasam right after preparing the dough without any fuss. Let's try making it.
before that, please subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video. First, soak the raw rice. I have taken 2 cups of raw rice. It weighs half kg in total. Whether you use a tumbler or any other type of vessel to measure the rice, maintain the same measurement for jaggery and water.
Wash this well and let it soak for 4 hours.
It's been soaked for 4 hours. Let's drain the water from the rice. The water should be drained completely. Let it drain well for 2 minutes. Look, the water has drained, but it should still be slightly damp. When it's like this, grind it little by little in a mixie.
Grind and sieve like this. If we sieve it little by little like this, at the end there will be some coarse grinds. You can grind those too and add them.
We ground and sieved all the rice. Now pack it slightly pressed like this. Now take jaggery to melt it into syrup. Here I have taken jaggery in 2 cups. This is 500 grams. Add this. Next, add a half cup of water. I am using the same cup that I was using for rice and jaggery. Let it dissolve well and filter it. Whichever vessel we will be using to stir the rice flour with jaggery syrup, we are using the same vessel to melt the jaggery and let it boil for 5 minutes on medium flame.
Akka, it's been 5 minutes. Shall we check the jaggery syrup?
Yes, let's gradually add a little jaggery syrup to the water in a plate and check. If you can hold the jaggery like a small ball, then it's perfect consistency. Does it, Ammu?
Just a little.
Let it boil a little longer, Ammu.
Akka, it's been 8 minutes. Shall we check on low flame?
Yes, when checking the jaggery syrup consistency, definitely keep it on low flame. Now let's try rolling it. If it rolls like a ball, then it's the correct consistency. Let's add rice flour little by little and mix it on low flame. Add without any lumps in the flour. Now add a pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons of white sesame seeds, and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 2 teaspoons of ghee. Mix well and let it settle for 2 minutes. Now I have heated oil in a pan. We need to add it when it's mildly hot. I am placing it on a plantain leaf. You can use butter paper or a polythene sheet. Grease it with oil and flatten. Make the dough into medium-sized round balls, all in the same size. If it's difficult, you can even take a small spoon like this and use it to measure the round ball. You can freely oil your hands, not too thick, not too thin. Make medium patties.
Then, when it rises, gently flip it over after adding a little oil and lightly fry it.
It puffs up like a puri. Fry for 1 minute on side. Flip it over for the other side and fry for 1 minute. Take it out and press it with 2 ladles. Don't press out all the oil or it will become dry and unappetizing. Don't be afraid to try this. You can try making it in small portion. This is for people who make this for the first time.
We have tried making only limited numbers here, but when my mom makes it, she does not use the small cup measurements. She uses something called marka. a big bucket size vessel to measure rice flour. 2 or 3 marcas of soaked rice is used. My mom and family make a lot during the festival to distribute to family and friends.
Diwali means a lot of work to my mom those days. In my grandma's house, they used to make many baskets full and send them to relatives and friends. This is one of the few sweets in those days. They don't distribute 5 or 10, they distribute 50 or hundreds of these sweets to each relative and family friends. This method is very useful for people who want to make it right away on Deepavali Nombu day instead of keeping the dough soaked for days. For those who perform puja frequently, this is very useful, isn't it, Ammo?
If it is for us to eat, then you can make it in the previous day. But otherwise, it is better to make this on the same day, possibly fresh, and offer it to God.
Also, when you are making adhirasam like this, try to eat hot adhirasam then and there. You will feel like eating a few more.
When it comes to sweets, it's better to heat as soon as it's made hot.
It's light, crispy outside and soft inside. Try making it with the same consistency like this.
Sometimes the rice gets a bit soft. We have mentioned the correct quantity now. But sometimes it becomes a bit looser. Some types of rice flour might be like that. What to do?
Yes, sometimes the jaggery might not absorb properly. In that case, add a little extra rice flour and mix it to get correct consistency.
Is it from the flour we made today?
No. If there is a little more left over, we can add it. That's all. We have fried all the adhirasam for half kg of rice. We got 25 pieces. That's it. Adhirasam is done. We got 25 pieces with half kg raw rice.
Please try making in the same way. Let us know in the comments how it turned out.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thank you.